To our school supervisor, Dr. Beatriz E. Akdal, our school head, Mrs. Margisita Landa, barangay officials, sanitary, Honorable Edgardo O. Orano, dear teachers, dear parents, dear classmates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm so happy to see all of you here today celebrating with us on our moving up day. Please did we take a moment to thank everyone who was inspired, supported, and helped us along this journey. Thank you to all our teachers for making this safe and welcoming a very special thank you to teacher John Mayu did not just teach how to write, count, draw, color, and read. You also showed us how to be kind and good children. To the parents, thank you for understanding us even we had tantrums. Thank you, Ma, Opa, for all your love and care. I love you both so much. To my classmates, thank you for being such wonderful friends. I hope we keep growing together as we move forward. Thank you, Lord God, for keeping us safe and healthy every single day. Congratulations to us and may God bless us all. Mabuhay ang Pagpilipan 2026! Mabuhay ang kindergarten!
Wala gayon.